question is, what's the most important thing to do first as far as a crew? Is it writing out job descriptions and telling them this, or is it what their role is? I do know that there has to be somebody there in charge that's responsible, and that's the guy I have there now that is responsible. But he doesn't, to be a crew leader, he's not gonna, he just he doesn't have the people skills. And the guy that has the people skills doesn't have the experience and the stuff. Maybe I should just look for another crew, more people. I'm shooting by the birds to describe it, but I am just getting what I can get right now because I don't have anybody. And anyway, does that make sense? I don't know what I'm asking. I guess what's the
Yeah.
one thing to do first? Yeah, exactly. I suffer with the ADD thing. There's so many things to
Yeah. But
do in this
one
thing.
thing at a time. But yeah. But
Yeah,
what I would do if you're not going to hire somebody to take that role, if you got your guy's got good people skills, he doesn't have the physical skills, I'd work off of him and build him up. Because if he's got great people skills, he's not the greatest painter yet. That could be learned. You can't train the other guy to smile. Not to say that he can't be a crew lead because I'm not there. I don't know his dynamic, but that's what I would do. But I have a position agreement form that my guys have, and I can email that to you. I got it from Steve. I've edited it to fit me, but it just says what the role is of each painter, what the expectations are. And then it also explains the disciplinary process, consequences, depending on what the scenario is. But it gives our painters a very clear expectation and understanding in writing what their expectations are in their job. So that's definitely one thing that I would absolutely do.
yeah, yeah. I That's what I was thinking in my mind before I even presented this. That what you said is what I should do.
Yeah.
It's just doing it.
Yeah. Are
There's
you in the group me? Is he in the group me, Steve?
Not yet.
Okay, because I didn't see
not
him.
yet.
Steve can give you my email address afterwards if you want me to send you a copy of my position agreement.
That'd be great. Yeah, be awesome.
It's helped out a lot. I don't have to keep explaining things.
Yeah, especially when I can't speak Spanish. That's
Yeah.
hard to do. Maybe I can get it in Spanish.
I guess the question is it a contract or somebody you're hiring?
I'm doing hiring now. I used to do subcontract and I had bad results from it, and I just don't like the lack of control that I do not have with subcontract. So I'm paying them. I pay them by the day. I try to make it worth it their time. I probably pay them too much if we got down into the weeds there on what I'm paying them, but I just want to make it where it's worth their time to be there, and they all want to work for me. Oh, boss, yeah, we really want to work for you, and so that's good. But yes, to answer your question, it's not. I'm just paying them as as an employee.
Okay, yeah, because I'm trying to transition too, but it's a rocking hard spot right now. But anyways, yeah, okay.
When I listen to you, I say, man, I have a lot in common with Sonia.
Yeah, I have a lot in common.